Alright, it's been about 7 weeks. That thing's up about waist high. Got little flowers on it. So I think we may be getting some tomatoes off that pretty soon. I planted all these just to keep them alive until we can get them in the garden in little buckets, in these little buckets here. And we never did get around to put them in the garden. So they're growing in this pretty good. Got some squash. I've gotten 2 or 3 big green ones off of this. That one don't look too healthy right there. But we have gotten some green ones off of there. There's one back there. And we got some yellow squash here too, I think. Somewhere. Over here we got squash. Yellow squash. Nothing on that one. There's a couple of big ones. 3 or 4 more big ones under here. So you can grow squash in buckets. And there's about a 1.5 gallon bucket, 2 gallon maybe. And this is cantaloupe. I just hated to let it die, so I put it in a bigger bucket. Now it's spreading out. I'm going to try to see if I can get the cantaloupe to run down this little old rail up underneath there. Maybe make a cantaloupe right here. I don't know if we can or not, but we'll see. Right now it's got flowers and it's runners. If I train the runners to stay up on this thing, we'll be okay. Alright. That's it for my bucket garden. Other than, it's my old ones, old tomatoes that's been there for 6 months. Yeah, what you doing? You licking my tomatoes? As long as you ain't peeing on them. There's a red one. There's a red one. And there's a red one. This thing is still producing. Been producing since last October. There's one that's about to be red, so I'm going to go ahead and get it. One down there. But we've been getting tomatoes off this thing for months. Uh-oh, got one that split. I wonder what makes them do that. Well, it looks like I don't see no more red ones. So that's the ones I'm gonna get. And then we got this burpee lettuce out here. Put that in a bucket. But I had all this stuff in these little bitty things here trying to keep them going until we get them in the garden, and never did get them in the garden. Got watermelon and cantaloupe that's still trying to survive, but they can't survive in those little containers, and I don't have any more. So anyway, I guess that's it for our bucket garden. And Ted, did you eat that thing, Ted? Ain't no good, is it? Huh? You don't like him? I don't like them either. Actually, I do. Eat them, they're good. I don't know if they're good for you. Alright, I guess that's it for now.